Good morning students. Example 2.31. Simplify first subdivision 1 plus I whole power 18. Second subdivision minus root 3 plus 3I whole power 31. So first subdivision at 1 plus I equal to, first we write a polar form r into cos theta plus I sin theta. So r equal to root of real part square plus imaginary part square. So 1 plus 1, 2. So root 2. Alpha equal to tan inverse modulus of y by x. So tan inverse y is 1, imaginary part, divided by x is 1, real part, so divided by 1. So tan inverse of 1, tan pi by 4 is 1. So alpha equal to pi by 4. Here x equal to 1 and y equal to also 1. So both are positive. So theta lies in a first quadrant. So theta lies in a first quadrant. Theta value is alpha. So theta equal to alpha equal to pi by 4. So the polar form 1 plus I equal to r is root 2 into cos theta is pi by 4 plus I sin theta is pi by 4. So rising to power 18 on the both side. 1 plus I whole power 18 equal to root 2 whole power 18 cos pi by 4 plus I sin pi by 4 whole power 18. So root 2 whole power 18, we can use de Moivre's theorem here. So cos 18 உள்ள வந்துரும். So 18 pi by 4 plus I sin 18 pi by 4. So here, so root 2 we can written as 2 power 1 by 2. So 9 2s are 18 here. So 2 power 9. So here also cancel 2 table. So 9 2s are 18, 2 2s are 4. So cos 9 pi by 4, sorry 9 pi by 2 plus I sin 9 pi by 2. As 2 power 9 is 512. Next again one time use de Moivre's theorem. So cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. So 9 power la vandrum. So 512 cos pi by 2 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1. So 0 plus I whole power 9. So I power 9 we can written as I power 8 into I. So I power 8 is also written as I whole square whole power 4. So into I. So I square is minus 1 whole power 4 into I. So minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1. So plus 1 into I. So 512 into I. Second subdivision, let minus root 3 plus 3I polar form, and then r value is 2 root 3. Then alpha, we can find out alpha equal to pi by 3. So here x equal to negative value, y equal to positive value. So theta lies in a second quadrant. So theta value is pi minus alpha. So pi minus alpha is pi by 3. So we can take LCM here, 2 pi by 3. Next polar form, minus root 3 plus 3I equal to r is 2 root 3 into cos theta is 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. So rising power 31 on the both side. So minus root 3 plus 3I whole power 31, 2 root 3 whole power 31 cos 2 by 3 plus I sin 2 by 3 whole power 31. So use de Moivre's theorem. So 2 root 3 power 31. So cos 31 into 2, 62 pi by 3 plus sin 62 pi by 3. So 2 root 3 31 into cos. So we can also written as 2 by 3 is, sorry, cos 62 pi by 3 we can written as 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. So also here I sin 20 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Next 2 root 3 whole power 31. So cos 20 plus theta equal to cos theta. So sin 20 pi plus theta is sin 30. So இதில் இங்கே வரதுக்கு பை யூஸ் பண்ணும். ஸோ எகைன் டைம்ஸ் 2 பைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இன்னொரு டைம் 3 பை 4 பை அப்படின்னு கண்டினியூ பண்ணி 10 பை வரும். 25 வந்து இந்த குவாட்ரனில் தான் வரும். ஸோ அப்படி பார்க்கும்போது உங்களுக்கு ஃபஸ்ட்டு குவாட்ரனில் வந்துடும். ஸோ அப்படி ஃபஸ்ட்டு குவாட்ரன் பார்க்கும்போது காசும் வந்து பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கும், சைனும் வந்து பாசிட்டிவாக இருக்கும். ஸோ இப்போ காஸ் 2π/3 ப்ளஸ் ஐ சைன் 2π/3. ஸோ டீட்டாங்கிறது 2π/3. ஸோ இங்கே டபுள் 2π/3. ஸோ 2√3 whole power 31. So 2π/3 we can written as pi minus pi/3. So also here next 2√3 power 31 cos pi minus theta. So cos pi minus theta minus cos theta, it is the second quadrant. So also sin pi minus theta equal to sin theta. So minus cos pi/3 plus I sin pi/3. So next 2√3 whole power 31 cos pi/3 is 1/2. So sin pi/3 is √3/2.